Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today, guys, is show you how to change a dress with help of using the new generative fill option within Adobe Photoshop. There's been a huge update in the Adobe world, and they've introduced AI, artificial intelligence, into Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign. What we want to try and do is we want to try and use our AI/generative fill option just to simply change the dress of this lady in front of us here. The first thing you need to do is actually make a selection. So I'm going to use my lasso tool and make a selection in the area that I would like the generative fill to work in. Just bear with me whilst I do that, guys. As you can see, it's a very loose selection I'm making there. And let's come around there. Now, what happens when you make a selection? This new contextual taskbar will appear. And you can see here we have generative fill. If I now come through and put a prompt of change dress, like so, and click generate. And what will happen, guys, is you'll see this progress bar. This is the AI working. Always make sure you let the progress bar complete, and I guarantee you'll be impressed with the final results. Also, as well, guys, what the generative fill does, it gives us three options to work from. If you're not happy with the first result, you can just simply go through the result. Now, that's our first one. If we open up our properties window here, we have the second one, and we have the third one here, like so. I personally feel the first one there is the best. And what you can see as well, guys, what happens with your layers is it adds a generative fill layer so we can compare the results. And as you can see, very, very impressive. And that's how you change dresses in Adobe Photoshop using the new generative fill option. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.